I've got 2080. And these are the training set, 116. Actually our image, the original image size would have been 625 by 625, but we are training it with 320 by 320. So essentially each original slice will be basically 4 slices. So it has started the training, and it's basically saturated the GPU. I've got 8 GB on the GPU, and it has essentially saturated that. So I've currently just given it for 50 epochs, so let's see how it goes. I'll pause the video and then start again when it converges. It does basically 50 epochs. I've now resumed the recording. So you can see the validation is around 83%. It's now close to 50 epochs. And now it is saving the file in the output, which is this one here, test.raw. That's where all the probabilities will be stored, essentially from 0 to 55. So that was the entire path for the training. So these were the arguments that we gave: volume, mask, that's coming from Drishti, and then we gave output as test.raw, which will be saved in this directory here, image size and the batch size, and the default is 50 epochs, major axis is 0, which is x, the depth slices. So it is still saving the, so it's basically doing all the predictions and then saving the data or the probabilities in test.raw. So it has done the probabilities. So we'll go back here. Now let us load the probabilities. So let's load mask. So it will take the raw file, which is this, that's the one that we created. It's done that, and now if we turn this thing off, this is what we see here. So these are all basically probability 0 is not shown. So if we go to the slices, then so the tag value is now the essentially the one that is loaded from test.raw. That's what the Python script created. So let's go back here and let's basically trim off everything that is below 150. So what we are saying here is anything below 150, set it as 0, and anything below above 150 in the tag value, set it as 1. So what we are essentially saying is that if the probability is beyond say 50%, 60%, then that's the thread. So these are the threads. So that's what we get here. And our initial guess was, I had checkpointed that, so let me just look.